Hey everybody, my name is Ray, and today I want to clarify what this channel is all about. I'm holding an open casting call right now to meet my teammates. I know that somebody plays music that is just as bad as the music I play and would like to use that tool to bring awareness to the things that we see around us. It's probably about 95 degrees today. It's very hot. The sun's overhead. It feels like the summers that I remember when I was a kid, just newly being exposed to that superior heat that the sun can put out on an absolutely blue day. Can you see the sky? Look at all the flowers. I hope I lined that up properly. I'm seeing a decent amount of wildlife here. It's been kind of slow in terms of mammals, no squirrels. And on the flip side, I've seen a good number of lizards. So I'll slow down and appreciate them, just like the coral snake I brought to you recently. There's a cardinal flying down the trail in front of me. Anyway, so this open casting call is for us to meet each other. If you can play music as terribly as I can, and want to rock out with the block out, the roadblock, getting the roadblock out of the way, then maybe we can make some music together. Enjoy the presentation I have for you about two of the black beauties that I have in terms of cutting utensils, and have a great day. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray, and today I want to provide you a super quick video showing a Benchmade Bugout in comparison to the Reactor by Rhino. And I got these two knives for a specific purpose, and I also received great news from Benchmade about the Osborne that I sent in. It's going to be remanufactured. It's going to cost me a fee, but I think it's well worth it to put that knife back in operation. If you have something that has fallen on bad times, what better place to send it to than to the creator, so that they can officially determine what to do, for an example, with the repurposing of the metal, rather than having these things go into landfills, etc. and so forth. So without further delay, here is the Benchmade Bugout. This is a customized Benchmade Bugout. It's got my preferred highway of choice branded onto the knife, and as you saw, it's very smooth, one-handed operation. Here's the locking and unlocking mechanism. It's a very confidence-inspiring knife. And then I also have the Reactor by Rhino. In fact, let's see if you can see it. There's a little bit of shade now. Look at that, you can kind of see it glowing just because of the cloud that came over just now, as if to provide me with the perfect opportunity to highlight this feature of the knife. The Rhino is superb. It's beautiful. It's got tritium, and it has a super fast open feature. I feel a little bit more confident sometimes using the Benchmade, which doesn't just fly open, and at the same time I quite like this feature of the Reactor as well. So I've got a terrible decision: which black knife, which black beauty should I carry for my everyday carry? Not to mention that I have a gold class Benchmade 4A. Now I do put these knives into rotation for specific purposes, and I actually have the Rhino on my nightstand, and it provides just enough illumination to where I can see everything on the glass countertop of my nightstand. So to me, the Glow Rhino is the perfect utility, cutting utility that you might want to store bedside to light up maybe that glass of water, maybe a flashlight. How cool was that though, huh? That the sun, I mean, the timing of that was superb, right? I can't make this stuff up. If you're interested in being a part of the group, part of the band, please reach out. I would love to carry on these conversations with you, to see the things that we're presented with, to carry the message that sometimes less is more, and sometimes we do still have to talk about our common practices and how maybe it's time that we look at one another collectively, understanding and using the easiest to understand universal language to share the message of peace, love, and all that old school stuff.